Today, we're diving into the world of lean manufacturing principles, a fascinating approach that has transformed the way businesses operate. If you've ever wondered how some companies manage to produce high-quality products while minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency, you're in the right place. Lean manufacturing is all about creating more value for customers while using fewer resources. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's unpack this concept together. At its core, lean manufacturing is a philosophy that focuses on improving efficiency by eliminating waste in all forms. The term lean itself comes from the idea of maximizing value while minimizing waste. But what does waste mean in this context? Well, waste can refer to anything that doesn't add value to the product or service, whether it's excess inventory, unnecessary motion, or overproduction. The goal of lean manufacturing is to streamline processes, improve quality, and ultimately deliver greater value to customers. One of the foundational principles of lean manufacturing is value stream mapping. This technique involves visualizing the flow of materials and information through the production process. By mapping out each step, businesses can identify areas where waste occurs and opportunities for improvement. It's like having a roadmap that highlights the most efficient path to delivering value to the customer. With a clear view of the entire process, teams can make informed decisions about where to focus their efforts. Next up is the concept of continuous improvement, often referred to as Kaizen. This principle emphasizes the importance of making small, incremental changes over time. Instead of waiting for a big overhaul, lean encourages teams to regularly assess their processes and look for ways to improve. This could be anything from refining a workflow to enhancing communication among team members. The beauty of Kaizen is that everyone in the organization can contribute ideas, fostering a culture of collaboration and innovation. Another key principle is just-in-time (JIT) production. This approach aims to reduce inventory levels by producing only what is needed, when it is needed. Imagine a restaurant that only prepares food when an order comes in, rather than cooking a large batch in advance. This minimizes waste and ensures that customers receive fresh products. However, implementing JIT requires careful planning and strong relationships with suppliers to avoid stockouts and disruptions. Let's also discuss the principle of 5S, which stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. This methodology focuses on organizing the workplace to improve efficiency and safety. By sorting through tools and materials, eliminating unnecessary items, and creating a clean and organized environment, teams can work more effectively. The goal is to create a workspace that supports productivity and fosters a culture of respect for the workplace. Now, we can't talk about lean manufacturing without mentioning pull systems. In a pull system, production is driven by customer demand rather than pushing products through the system based on forecasts. This means that items are only produced when there's a confirmed order, reducing excess inventory and minimizing waste. It's a more responsive approach that aligns production with actual customer needs, ensuring that resources are used efficiently. Another important principle is empowerment of employees. Lean manufacturing recognizes that the people doing the work often have the best insights into how to improve processes. By empowering employees to identify problems and suggest solutions, organizations can tap into a wealth of knowledge and creativity. This not only leads to better outcomes but also fosters a sense of ownership and engagement among team members. Let's not forget about the role of standardized work. This principle involves documenting best practices and ensuring that everyone follows the same processes. By standardizing work, businesses can reduce variability, improve quality, and create a foundation for continuous improvement. It's like having a recipe for success that everyone can follow, leading to consistent results. As we explore lean manufacturing further, we encounter the concept of root cause analysis. This technique focuses on identifying the underlying causes of problems rather than just addressing the symptoms. By digging deep to find the root cause, teams can implement effective solutions that prevent issues from recurring. Tools like the 5 whys technique, where you ask why multiple times to get to the heart of a problem, can be incredibly useful in this process. Now, let's talk about visual management, which involves using visual cues to communicate important information in the workplace. This could include color-coded labels, charts, or dashboards that provide real-time updates on performance metrics. Visual management helps teams quickly assess the status of a project or process, facilitating better decision-making and collaboration. Finally, we have the principle of customer focus. Lean manufacturing is all about delivering value to the customer, so it's essential to keep their needs at the forefront of every decision. By understanding what customers truly value, businesses can align their processes and offerings to meet those expectations. This not only enhances customer satisfaction but also drives loyalty and repeat business. As we wrap up our discussion on lean manufacturing principles, it's clear that this approach offers a powerful framework for improving efficiency and delivering value. From value stream mapping and continuous improvement to just-in-time production and the empowerment of employees, each principle contributes to a culture of excellence. So, whether you're part of a manufacturing team or a service organization, embracing lean manufacturing principles can help you streamline processes, reduce waste, and ultimately create a better experience for your customers. Remember, it's all about creating value while minimizing waste, and with a commitment to continuous improvement, the possibilities are endless. Happy lean journey!